Many patients who experience upper back pain simultaneously suffer from other symptoms at the same time. In an ideal scenario, an upper back patient would only experience upper back pain without any other issues, but far too often this isn't the case. For those people who don't experience local upper back pain alone, they'll also suffer from headaches or migraines, radiating symptoms down the arm or arms like tingling, numbness, and weakness, difficulty with sleeping due to pain, keeping them up or waking them up in the middle of the night, and limited range of motion in their upper back and neck, etc. Thankfully, the TrapEAZE technique can benefit upper back pain patients with such symptoms in all of these various scenarios. Many past TrapEAZE technique patients have satisfactorily reported such issues becoming resolved in addition to their upper back pain. This makes the TrapEAZE technique a complete one-stop shopping solution not only for troublesome local upper back pain symptoms, but also for those equally troublesome symptoms that affects the head, neck, and arms. To discover even more about this life-changing treatment, please join us for our next complimentary Upper Back Pain Skills and Tools workshop. At the workshop, you'll get actionable ideas that you'll be able to put to use with your very next upper back pain patient.